So we are learning maths, okay, chapter 2, standard 10 maths, chapter 2, polynomials. And in that, up till now, we have covered in the session. On the screen, we can see first topic which we covered from the text. It is what is polynomial. We understood about the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the px is called the degree of the polynomial. Okay, a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2 is called as quadratic polynomial. And a polynomial with degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial. And then we studied about 0. Okay, so if px is a polynomial in x and if any k is a real number, then the value obtained by replacing the x by k in px is called the value of the px at k, and it is denoted by pk. So now if the value of px for any k, for any real number k is 0, then you can say it is a 0 of the polynomials. Okay, one thing please understand, this point is very nice point. If k is a 0 of a polynomial, see ax plus b is the standard form of linear equation. So linear equation 0 can be found directly also with minus b by a. So 0 of the linear polynomial is minus b by a. Am I clear with it? Okay. Thus 0 of the linear polynomial is related to its coefficient. So 0 of the linear polynomial can be minus b by a. Am I clear with it? Then we studied about geometrical representation. Okay, now see, this is a graph. In the graph, you can see it's a graph of a linear equation. Because graph of the linear equation is always straight line. Now for a geometrical representation, if on the x-axis, okay, this straight line cuts the x-axis at one point. So from the graph, geometrically we can understand that this linear equation has how many zeros? 1. Okay, then we studied about this graph. This is for quadratic equation. It has how many zeros? 2. And you can see that it can be y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c as one of the two shapes, either open upwards or downwards, depending upon the a, that is the coefficient of the x square. Okay, so this was the part which we studied. Then these are the different cases which we can see. Based on it, geometrically we can define about the zeros. After that we studied this exercise 2.1. Based on it, we based exercise 2.1. Then we studied about the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. Okay, okay. On the board it is there. Just why I am revising it out, because these are the important topics of this chapter. Fine. In standard 10, you should know at least these topics. Okay. Fine. Relationship between zeros and coefficients of the polynomials. And then based on the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros, you can find the quadratic equation. Okay, so yesterday I taught you that if you are given the sum of the zeros, okay, if the sum of the zeros are given to you and you are given with the product, then you can find the quadratic equation. Okay, you can see on the board there is one solution is being done. Question 2 first part. Can you see on the board? Question 2 first part. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4. Alpha into beta is minus 1. Now you should remember the denominator should be same. So what I did, I multiplied 4 over here. Then alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4 is always equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, that means minus 4 by 4. Now in front of a we find 4, in front of b 1, in front of c minus 4, in front of a 4. So we got a 4, b minus 1, c, and put this value in the quadratic equation. So I hope this is clear. Up till now this is clear. Now this sum can be done directly. Okay, now today I'll teach you one direct method. Now see, what is a direct method? Just have a look on the board. Sifa, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now see, this is the direct method. Now alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. Alpha beta is, what is alpha into beta? The value of alpha into beta is, we have the value is alpha and beta is minus 1. Okay, so alpha into beta is minus 1. Now I taught you that with the method of coefficients how you can find, but directly this is the formula: x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. This is the direct method. Now what you do, the sum of the zeros is given to you. What is the sum of the zero? 1 by 4. X square minus 1 by 4 x plus alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? Minus 1. So now see, this is 4. Take the LCM. 4x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Was this the answer earlier by that method? Yes, this is the direct method. Please note it down. This is the direct method which you can do it. Fine. Now I'll share on the screen the textbook. Now today we are going to study the new topic, that is division algorithm for polynomials. That means example number 6. You can see the example number 6. It is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 has to be divided by x plus 2. In 9th standard you have studied this thing, the division of the polynomials. Even though if you have not studied, I'll teach you. Okay, just take a note on the board. Okay, on the board I'll write the question. You have to divide 2x square, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 has to be divided by x plus 2. Okay, fine. Just have a look on the board. Okay, the board is visible to all of you. This is it. Now see, 2x square. Just have a look. This is the first coefficient, 2x square. And what is the first over here? X. So just see on the rough part. 2x square divided by x. So what it will be? 1x will be cut. So 2x. What is it left? 2x. So I will write over here 2x. Okay, class, just have a note. If you remember when we were small, we used to do the division. 36, if I had to divide 36 with 2, what I used to do? 2 1 ja 2. Then I used to subtract from 3 to 1, so 1 is left. Then I used to carry forward 6, so 16. Now 2 8 ja 16, so 0 0. Fine. So this way I used to do the division of the numbers. The same way now I will be dividing polynomials. Over here I was knowing the table ki 3 doesn't come in any table. So what I used to do, 2 1 ja 2. बराबर, पर यहाँ पे तो पॉलिनोमियल्स है, ये तो पॉलिनोमियल्स है, तो how I can come to know that what will be the quotient over here? So to know the quotient, I will do like this way. I want 2x square and what I have, मुझे किससे डिवाइड करना है? x से. So 2x square divided by x. So 2x into x अपॉन एक्स. सो एक एक्स कट हो गया, क्या बच गया? 2x. सो आई राइट अ 2x over here. Now 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into plus 2 plus 4x. I hope this much is clear. Now I will put a minus sign, minus minus. Plus 2x square minus 2x square gone. Plus 3x minus 4x x. And this plus 1 will be brought down, x plus 1. Now just again have a look. I want x and I am given x. So x divided by x, 1. So I'll take plus 1 over here. Plus 1 into x, x. Plus 1 into plus 2, plus 2. Now change the sign. X gone. 1 minus 2 minus 1. So what is the remainder? Minus 1. Okay. I hope on the board it is clear to all of you. Fine. Yes. On the screen, beta, just check it out. X plus 2 when this is divisor. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is dividend. 2x minus 1 is a quotient. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 3. Okay. I take you to another example. Example number 7. That is divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 has to be divided 1 plus 2x plus x square. So what I do? I first arrange the terms x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Just on the board you can see I'll perform the division for you. Okay. Just have a look on the board. We have to divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. It has to be divided by x square plus 2x plus 1. Again same way. What I want 3x cube. What I have? X square. So let me decide what will be the quotient. 3x cube divided by x square. So 1x is left out. So 3x. So I will start with 3x. 3x into x square. 3x cube. 3x into plus 2x. 3 2 ja 6. X into x square. 3x into plus 1 plus 3x minus 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 sign change. 3x cube minus 3x cube gone. X square minus 6x square minus 5x square plus 2x minus 3x minus x. Okay. Now just again I want minus 5x square. I have x square. So what will be my quotient? Okay, x square cut minus 5. So I will start minus 5. Minus 5 into x square minus 5x square. Minus 5 into plus 2 minus 10x. Minus 5 into plus 1 plus minus 5. Now over here I can also bring which one? This 5 down. So plus 5. Okay, fine. Now I'll change the sign. Minus 5x square plus minus 10x plus minus 5 plus. So just have a look. Minus 5x square plus 5x square gone. Minus x plus 10x 9x plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. Okay. So on dividing, okay. So how I'll write? I will write like this way. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. So what is the dividend part? Okay, it is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Divisor x square plus 2x plus 1. Quotient 3x minus 5. Remainder 9x plus 10. Okay, so this way you can have the division. You can perform the division. Okay, on the screen I'll share the textual solution for it. This is it. Okay, on the board and on the screen also. Fine. You can find that the division part, how we are dividing the, how we are dividing part on the board is px. This is gx, the divisor polynomial, multiplied by quotient polynomial, okay, plus rx. So this one is your remainder polynomial. So as per your text, this is the relationship. If px and gx are any two polynomials with gx not equal to 0, then we find polynomials qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. This result is known as division algorithm for polynomial. In the first chapter, we have cleared the word algorithm. What is algorithm? Okay, algorithm.
Steps.
Yeah, please.
Steps.
Yes, steps by steps, performing steps, and by performing the steps you get a result. Okay, so that method is said to be an algorithm. Okay, Now just example 5, 6, 7, and now this is an example number 8. Fine, which is on your. So on exercise 2.3, question number 1, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Fine. So on the board I will solve the first question of it. Question 1 first, and then other two you have to solve it out. Fine. So the first question is we have to divide the polynomials. Okay, so division algorithm I'll perform on the board, and then other two questions have to be performed. Okay, the first part is px. What is the px given over here? The px is 3x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and the divisor polynomial is gx. Gx is equal to x square minus 2. So just have a look on the board, you will find the polynomial. Polynomial px is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. It has to be divided by x square minus 1. Okay, fine. Okay, just have a look. I want x cube. I am given with x cube, x square. X square divided by x cube divided by x square. So only one x is left. So over here the first part will be x. X multiplied by x square, x cube. And then x into minus 1, minus x. So over here you can
Sir, it
see
is
the
2.
middle term. Yes.
Sir, it is x square minus 2.
Yeah, x square minus 2. Yeah, sorry. Then x into minus 2 is minus 2x. Just have a look, beta. One term is missing over here. Okay, it has two terms, and I am trying over here to solve and to divide three terms. So over here, if there is x square term is not coming, I'll write 0x square. I repeat, initially I wanted to divide x cube with x square. So x cube divided by x square, I got x. I have written x. X multiplied by x square, x cube. And x multiplied by 2, it gives minus 2x. Over here it is 3x square. So don't write below over here minus 2x, but write 5x, below that minus 2x. So over here the middle term is missing. So write 0x square. Now change the sign. Minus, minus, this minus will become plus. X cube gone. Minus 3x square minus 0x square. 0 doesn't have any value. So it will be minus 3x square. Over here plus 5x plus 2x, so plus 7x, and this one is minus 3. Okay, now again I want minus 3x square, and I have x square. Minus 3x square upon x square. So this part you perform in the rough work. You got minus 3. So write minus 3 over here. Minus 3 into x square. So minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 2. So it will be plus 6. Again, you don't get a term of related to x. So again over here 0x. Sign change. Minus, plus, plus, minus, minus. See, minus 3x square plus 3x square, gone. It becomes 0. Plus 7x minus 0x, nothing. So it will be 7x. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So in the terms of division algorithm, how I'll write? I will write px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Now what is px? X cube minus x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to. x square minus 2 is the gx, that is divisor. Quotient x minus 3. Remainder 7x minus 9. I hope it's clear. Just have a look on the board. Fine. This is the first solution of x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. X square minus 2. Okay, the solution is x minus 3. Clear? So you got the quotient x minus 3 and remainder 7x minus 9. Okay, so exercise 2.3, question 1 we have done. Question 2, what is question 2? Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. As I made you clear that when you divide the polynomials and by performing the division, if in the remainder part you get 0, remainder comes 0, then it is a factor of the polynomial. So you all have to perform. So this is the question: 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 has to be divided by t square minus 3. So perform this in your book and try to see that whether you get a remainder 0. So up till now we have covered exercise 2.3, question 1 and question 2. Fine? Okay?